Hello guys. Today I'm showing you Hello World in Tkinter. Let's import all from Tkinter module. Now we gonna create a window, assign it to tk variable. Don't forget to loop code. Let's set the tile of window. And set the size of window using geometry. Create a variable with hello world string. Now we gonna create a label, assign it to my_label. The parameters for label is first window object and text of label. And don't forget to pack it. Let's test it. We can see Hello World label. Let's add a color to it using FG. I gonna add green and BG parameter for background color. I gonna add black. Let's test it. We can now see the text color green and background color black. Using font we can set size of label. Let's set it to 32. Now we can see big 32 size text. Okay guys, let's see you in next video. Have a nice day.